Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crop a video in Imovie on Mac. Once you have added the video to your timeline, all you'll need to do is select the video on your timeline. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on the cropping icon from the top navigation bar. So that is this icon right here. After you have done that, you can see you have a few cropping options. For example, if you were to select fit, you can see how it looks. Now you have another option which is crop and crop to fill. You can select that and you can see that it gives you a wider version, but you won't see the top navigation bar of my screen. Now if you would like a particular section to be zoomed in, all you'll need to do is tap on Ken Burns, and from there, for example, you can see the end and the start. You can choose where you would like to zoom in, and you can zoom into a particular section if you want. So you can select which particular section you would like to zoom in on the video. So let's say, for example, I would like to zoom into this section. So you can see it right there. You can select where it starts and where it ends. Then after doing that, if I were to tap on play, you can see how it looks. So you can see that it is zoomed in to a particular section right there. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.